Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes, honey, it's now live. What's up Twitter family? What's up YouTube family? What's up? Hey you guys, welcome back guys to another amazing cook with me guys. Yes. So today we are going to be making avocado spinach chicken wrap guys. Okay? And also on the side we are going to do a nice salad with it. So yes, I'm so excited for this. You know, it's heart healthy. It is also keto free. For those of you that is looking for something that is nice, healthy, and you know the summer is coming, a lot of us don't really want to cook. So this is something simple and easy. So before we get into it and what we will need, let's wash our hands. Okay. All right. Okay, so you're going to need some chicken breast. You need the thin slices like this. Okay. Thin slices. All right. You're going to need chicken breast. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I already have some vinegar in this water. I'm going to cut this part of the chicken out. Okay. All right, so we're gonna cut that out. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So now that we got all of that out of the chicken, we want to make sure that out. Okay. All right. Let's toss this in the trash. All right. Wash this off. Okay, and rinse it. We're gonna wash it again. We just grab our Italian breadcrumbs. Okay, we're gonna put a little more vinegar. All right. I like to wash my chicken twice, guys, to be on the safe side. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to preheat our skillet. So I have a skillet here. So you're gonna preheat it on a medium fire. Okay. So you're gonna preheat that. And we're gonna use some extra virgin olive oil. Okay. So let's season our chicken. Make sure there's no water in here. So I'm going to go in with some garlic and parsley. Okay. So as much as you like. All right. And then we have some black pepper. Okay. And then we have some paprika here. I just put this paprika. Okay, some paprika, just a little, and then some adobo seasoning. Okay, and then we have some onion powder. All right, guys. So we're gonna mix this. All right, make sure it's nice and well mixed. Now, what we're gonna do is, because we are using breadcrumbs, we're gonna crack an egg, one whole egg. Okay, so you just want to crack it in there like that, and you're gonna mix it. The egg is going to hold the breadcrumbs and the chicken together to give it that nice crispy taste. Okay. All right. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do, guys, is I'm making some veggies for my salad. All right, we're gonna wash out this pan, this pot. Okay, and we're gonna put some. We have some mixed vegetables here. We're gonna put some of this in the salad. All right. So we just want to steam this. Okay. And then I have some broccoli here. And we're going to put 2 eggs in there. So let's wash off this broccoli. Okay. All right. Okay. I got the fire. Sorry, guys. Okay. Now we're gonna wash this, put this. Okay, so that's enough broccoli. Now we're gonna turn on this fire for our veggies. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on a medium heat. All right, and let that cook. Okay, so this is where we're putting our chicken. We're gonna put. Let me get my paintbrush. So we're gonna put some olive oil in here. All right. Just turn this down just a little bit. Yeah, I can see that. Yes, you can. It wasn't too hot, but it's okay. In this bowl. All right, and this is Italian breadcrumb. All right. So I'm gonna dip the chicken breast. Okay. And then I'm gonna put it in the pan. All right. And you let it cook for about 10 minutes on one side, and then the other 10 minutes on the other side. Okay? All right. Okay. All right, and once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and put so I'm just dropping a few drops of olive oil just to keep the pan nice and wet. So you gradually just drop olive oil. You don't have to overdo it. All right. And I'm checking on. So just turn this over just a little bit. See how nice and brown it's coming out, guys? Okay. Alright. I'm going to turn you guys around in just a second because we have to cut up our avocado. Alright? One. Alright, so we're going to let that cook down. What are you guys having to drink? I'm having some coffee. You guys know I love my coffee. Okay? Alright, I'm just washing this here. Okay? Alright. So, now, alright, we're going to put our avocado. This is our avocado, guys. This is our avocado, and we're going to put it in this bowl. Alright. I'm just going to put our chicken is still cooking, so we got to give it some time to get right. Okay? So now, what we're going to do is cut up this avocado. Alright? So, let me wash it. Okay? I'm going to wash it and peel it. Alright, you want to make sure that your avocado is ripe and it looks like this. If it's green and hard, it's not ready. Okay? So, alright. Avocado also comes with a seed in the middle. So, also want to make sure that you be careful because you could be cutting a piece of the seed. I forgot to take out the purple onion. Sugar. We'll do it now. Okay. So that's the seed. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to just take a small knife and just kind of chop this up into small pieces. Into small pieces. Okay. And then we're going to put it in this bowl. Alright. Okay. That's our avocado. Alright, and then I have to get the purple onion. So I'm just going to use that half of it. Because I want to put some purple onion in the wrap. Have a look. It's coming out really good, guys. Purple onion in this pot over here, just to steam for like a minute. so it doesn't be raw. Alright, this is a purple onion. Okay. So I'm gonna use that one because I also have to toast our wrap. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil in there because I just want to put a little bit of okay. So I'm only using that much. All right. Okay. This is almost done. All right. Let's check our okay, now we're going to check this. What I like to do is I like to cut into the meat and see how white and pretty it looks, guys. So if you're unsure if it's cooked, just take a knife and your tongue and cut it. Yeah. So just take a next piece. It's done. And it tastes good too. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop it up. All right. Bring you guys back over here to the cutting board. All right. So we're gonna place all of that on the cutting board. Okay. And we're just gonna kind of just chop it in little pieces. Like that. And then we're gonna put it with our avocado. All right. You want to make sure that it's well mushed in together. Avocado. All right. Let's get the next one. All right. Let me put some more in the pan. Hold on one second, guys. Okay. All right. So we're going to chop this one up. We're going to chop this one up. I'm trying to take off this cover. See how nice and pretty that looks, guys? Okay. Now, we're going to just put this to the side. This is how our avocado and chicken is coming together. All right. Okay. Bring you guys this way. Purple onion. Remember, I just wanted them to just get a little burnt. So I'm gonna take them over to the cutting board in just a minute. I just want them to be halfway cooked. onions on here. Okay. Wash out your pan, because you're gonna need it again for your wrap. We have to toast them. Okay. All right. Let's chop up these onions. And this is sweet onion, guys, so it's gonna give it that nice flavor. So it's gonna give it that nice flavor that we're looking for. Okay. 2 more pieces of chicken that's not done yet. So we're gonna stick that to the side. And then once that's ready, we're gonna go ahead and make our wrap. But so far, this is how it looks, guys. Okay, so we're gonna sit that to the side, and we're gonna work on our salad. So this is my salad bowl right here. This is my salad. All right. So I'm going to wash it. All right. This is my salad. Of course, I'm going to cut this up. Okay. So let's wash this. I'm also going to add some spinach in this time. Okay. Now we're going to take a scissor, our kitchen scissors, and we're just going to try to just make this a little smaller. So you take your kitchen scissors and just try to go through it and cut it up. Okay. All right. Okay. Now that it looks a little bit smaller. All right. Again, this is romaine lettuce. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my veggies and I'm going to strain them. Let me get a I'm going to strain my veggies. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay. All right. So you want to put all your vegetables in there, except your eggs, because you do have to all right. And we're gonna run cold water on those eggs. We're gonna take this and just mash the broccoli down. Okay. All right. Just mushing the broccoli down. Alright, and mixing it together. Alright. Alright. Now we're going to add our spinach. Okay. I'm just going to add a few. I'm going to wash them off and break them up. Alright, this is our spinach. Okay. Alright, when you're making a salad, guys, you have to build a salad. Alright, so make sure that you, alright, now, okay, let's put the eggs. Alright, we gotta crack them and unshell them. Okay. Alright. Okay. Again, the eggs is just there for your protein. It's not necessary. Alright, now we're going to add our croutons and our bacon bits. Alright, so we have our croutons in here. Okay. And I just like to add a little bit of bacon bits, bacon sprinkles. Just a little bit, guys. This is a little high in sodium, so not too much. All right, then that's it. Our salad is done. So we're gonna put this behind us. All right, chicken, so that we can go ahead and season, so that we can go ahead and make our wrap. All right. Okay. All right, our chicken is well done. Okay. So now we're gonna take them out, turn our fire off. Okay. Over here. So we're gonna cut this up. All right. The chicken tastes so good, guys. We're gonna put it in this bowl. Okay. There we go. I'm just mixing this now let's get our wraps, guys. You're also gonna need some cheddar and mozzarella cheese together. So that's the type of cheese that you're gonna need. And we're also gonna put some ranch dressing on it. So this is our wrap, guys. This is also keto free. So at the bottom, let me see. Yeah, at the bottom it says it's keto free, keto friendly. So this is the wrap. So let's open it. Okay. All right. Okay, we're gonna place that right here. Okay. And we're gonna put hold on. Okay. All right. We're gonna put some ranch down the middle. Okay. And then we're gonna take this. And what you want to do is just put it in the middle of your roll in, and we bring it up, and then we lay this down, and we do it like that. So now we're just gonna let them sit there. So these are spinach wraps, guys. So they are very much okay. You want to turn this over, but you just want to make sure that it's, you know, heating up. That's all you want to do. All right, we're almost done, guys. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's check this. See how nice and brown it's coming out. You can start to see that the cheese is melting. And you can feel it. Once you start to feel that it's hot, it's starting to melt. And you see, guys, you have Subways at your own house, made by It's Me Wonston. Yes, honey. Okay, Subways made at your house, made by It's Me Wonston. You do not have to put it down. Okay. All right. So this is coming together. Now we're gonna cut that one. All right, let's place this one in here. Okay, and there you have it, guys. So we got some chicken avocado spinach wraps and our salad. All right, chicken avocado spinach wraps, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know if you made this before or if you want to try it. Comment down below and let me know. Also, don't forget to check out my book, which is available on Amazon and Barnes & Nobles and HouseOfBakeSentertainment.com. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys. What's up, YouTube family? What's up?